This is APA Style Part 4, or Video 4. We're going to be talking about more resources on APA Style. Here is what Video 4 covers. It includes the topics and the time in this video where you can jump right to that topic if desired. The first topic, before we go into the other resources, let's talk for a minute about how to create a reference when information is missing. This table on this page was taken from page 284 of the APA Style Manual. It shows what to do if one of the elements is missing. For example, if the author is missing, then it gives you the solution and how the reference list entry is supposed to look, and also how the in-text citation is supposed to look. You can use this anytime you have a missing element and you want to find out how to cite when something is missing. The previous videos concentrated on the basics of how to do in-text citations and reference entries for books and journal articles. But what happens if you're trying to cite something besides a book or a journal article? Are there any differences to how you cite other resources? The APA Style Manual is your answer to this situation. The APA Style organizes all types of resources that you can use in a paper into 4 groups. Within each group, there are several categories, and within each category, there are several types of resources. You can see the full list of groups, categories, and types in the APA Style Manual 7th edition in Chapter 10, where you can see examples of each of these categories. The page numbers where you can find each group and category are in the following 4 slides. The first slide, here that's already on the screen, is the group of textual works, and so in that group we have the journals and the books plus some other things. The second group is dataset software and tests. Included in this group is datasets or raw data, software, and tests. The third group is audiovisual media, which includes things such as TV series, webinars, YouTube videos, music albums, artwork in museums, and photographs. The last group is online media, which includes all social media and web pages. As mentioned before, in Chapter 10 of the APA Style Manual, all of these groups of resources are organized in this exact order by group and category. If you need to know how to cite any of these categories or groups of resources, there are examples of each category in Chapter 10 of the APA Style Manual. Now we are going to start talking about where you can find further help on the APA Style. The best source of all is, of course, the publication manual of the American Psychological Association 7th edition. I would recommend that if you do not have this manual, that you should get it. It's the ultimate resource for information about APA Style. And it's also the first choice to find answers to questions that you might have about APA Style. The next resource is the APA Style website. So this website is part of the American Psychological Association website and contains more resources on APA Style, including the blog, where you can get answers to questions about APA Style that perhaps are hard to find in the manual. Another resource online at the APA Style website is the sample papers. This page shows sample papers that are written in APA Style that would perhaps give you some idea about how you use the in-text citations and the references. And then there's the APA Style Guide, which is on the library's website, and it gives you some more information about the APA style and more examples of how to cite specific kinds of resources. And then we get to Purdue OWL. Purdue OWL is an online writing reference resource that provides detailed information in APA, MLA, Chicago styles of citation, as well as general citation and research assistance. This last resource is getting help through Info-Based Learning Cloud. Info-Based Learning Cloud is a collection of tutorials for teachers and students here at Texas Wesleyan University, and it used to be known by Who Knew It or Atomic Learning. And so you can access it by either copying the link there or scanning the QR code with your phone. And then you're going to need to use your Ramlink username and password to log in. And then once you're into Info-Based Learning Cloud, then you can type in APA in the search box at the top of the page, and it will bring up the APA tutorials. Here is the online survey for Video 4. Please copy the link here or use your phone to scan the QR code that will take you to the survey. That's all for Video 4, and that's the end of the APA style videos. I hope that these videos have been helpful to you to learn more about APA style.